increasing number of renewables connected to our networks. And the second aspect is that once we have decarbonized the power sector, we can increase the consumption based on electricity, so electrification of transport, of heating. So these are the two main drivers, electrification and decarbonization, that are driving our innovation in the grid, so what we call the grid futurability. Well, it consists of three main pillars. We say the network has to be resilient, because much more we are going to be dependable on electricity, so it has to be resilient and reliable for the provision of supply of electricity. It has to be sustainable, for sure, because it means that it has to facilitate the decarbonization of the power sector and the integration of renewables, but it has to be also intrinsically sustainable. So when we develop our infrastructure, it has to be done with new sustainable materials and technologies. And then finally, it has to be participatory, we say, because it means that with electrification in particular, we are going to have new needs and new services that our users of the grid, our customers, are going to want from the network. And so in this sense, we have to be open to accommodate all these new needs from all our stakeholders. Well, innovation can really is the means that we use in order to accelerate in this direction. So what we are doing is we are working on these three dimensions. So we are working on sustainable design of our infrastructure by reviewing the materials that we use and the processes. We are working on resiliency through IoT, through advanced automation of our networks. We are working on safety. And this means that we are looking for robotics and drones that can help our field operation, and also new technologies like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality to support our workers. And then we are working on new business model. Our role as distributors, the DSO, distribution system operators, is also to work with the flexibility that the resources connected to our network are providing to us. So innovation is also working a lot on this new vision, on flexibility and all the new services that the network is creating. And for this reason, we have also launched a program that is its name is Grid Innovation Vibes, because with this program we are engaging all our employees in infrastructure and networks in Enel, so that they can contribute to all these issues, because with their active participation we believe that we can transform what it is, let me say, a vibe, we can transform it into something really concrete, into a new solution, something new that we integrate in our network, and it makes the grid futurability.